Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add opening balances here in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Zoho Books account. And now what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon right here, and just basically click on opening balance under setup and configurations. Okay, click on opening balance. Now in this section, you are going to enter the migration date. Let's say, for example, that you come from another app or software similar to Zoho Books. Make sure that you enter the migration date. Let's say, for example, migration date is maybe 10th right here of November. Okay. It says here the date on which you generated the trial balance report in your previous accounting software while migrating to Zoho Books. Okay. Now what you do is just go ahead to import your accounts receivable and accounts payable file. Okay. Basically, when you click on import right here, choose a file. Just make sure that the file includes what? The accounts receivable, and the other section is the accounts payable, and it will automatically compute for you. And once that's done, scroll down, enter your assets right here. Okay, you have the debit and credit. Let's say you have advanced tax of 10, just for example, 10, petty cash 10, inventory asset 10. Scroll down, you have the expense right here, maybe 10, 10, 10, 10. Scroll down, you have lodging, parking, postage, and categorized exchange gain or loss. You have the bank section right here. Maybe you have a debit of 10, a liability, 10. Just map it, all right? Make sure that you enter the correct numbers right here. And below, you will have the total, of course, the total amount, and this is your opening balance adjustment right here. And do take note that this account will hold the difference in credit and debit. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in another 10 for the credit section so that it will be balanced. Right here, I have 0 and 0. Just hit on continue and confirm. Here you have your total. All right, every field that you have given data or value will be listed in here. Could be debit or credit. Okay. Once that's done, just click on confirm. There you go. It says here opening balances has been saved. Click on OK right here. Okay. Under assets, here we have the debit. Under expense, here we have the credits. Liability, we have credit. Equity, we have 10 under drawings. Okay. And there you have it. If you want to edit it, you have the edit button right here at the top. If you want to delete it, you have the delete button here as well. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.